Every time you turn that key, hit the gas, or cruise down the highway, you might be unknowingly shaving thousands of miles off your car's life. Not because it's a bad car, but because of you. Harsh truth? Maybe. But most engines don't die from age. They die from neglect, bad habits, and shortcuts. The difference between a car that barely hits 120,000 miles and one that cruises past 150,000? It's what you do behind the wheel. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the hidden mistakes that are quietly killing your car. Stick until the end, because mistake number 3 is so common, it might happening to you as we speak. Let's get started. Number 11. Skipping oil changes. Let's be honest, oil changes aren't glamorous, but skipping them? That's a slow death sentence for your engine. Oil keeps everything inside the motor running smooth and cool. When it gets dirty or old, it turns into sludge, and that sludge clogs vital pathways and grinds your engine from the inside. It's like running a marathon with sand in your shoes. The metal parts start wearing down, friction builds, and boom, engine failure. All because you thought you could squeeze out another 1,000 miles. Don't cheap out here and change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Number 10. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. Modern cars come equipped with sensors and warning systems for a reason. They're trying to protect you from expensive repairs. A check engine light could indicate issues as minor as a loose gas cap or as serious as engine misfires or failing catalytic converters. When ignored, these problems can escalate. For instance, a faulty oxygen sensor might cause poor fuel mixture and damage the engine or catalytic converter over time. The longer a light stays on without being diagnosed, the harder it becomes to detect the real issue. Addressing warnings early often means smaller bills and a longer-lasting car. Number 9. Driving like you're in a Fast and Furious movie. How you drive affects how long your car lasts. Gunning the throttle feels good, but if you treat every red light like a drag race, your car's components won't last long. Aggressive driving puts massive stress on your engine, brakes, suspension, and transmission. Hard accelerations and sudden stops wear out parts years ahead of schedule. Plus, it kills your fuel economy. Smooth, steady driving isn't just safe. It's what makes cars last hundreds of thousands of miles. So unless you've got a sponsorship from NOS, calm down and drive like someone who wants their car to last. Number 8. Forgetting to flush your fluids. Oil changes are great, but what about your transmission fluid? Brake fluid? Coolant? These aren't optional extras. They're critical lifelines. Over time, these fluids break down, get contaminated, and stop doing their job. Bad transmission fluid can lead to jerky shifts and total transmission failure. Old brake fluid traps, moisture, and corrodes lines. Neglecting coolant can cause overheating and warped engine heads. It is recommended to flush your transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, brake fluid every 30,000 miles, and coolant every 30,000 miles. Flushing your fluids on schedule is like giving your car a full-body detox. It keeps everything running smoother, longer, and stronger. Number 7. Not maintaining the cooling system. Your engine runs hotter than you think, over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. If coolant levels drop or a leak develops and goes unnoticed, your engine can overheat quickly. Even a single overheating event can warp the cylinder head, crack the engine block, or blow the head gasket. These repairs are very expensive and sometimes not worth fixing. Yet most drivers never check the radiator, hoses, or even the coolant level. Literally, make coolant checks part of your routine and replace worn components before they fail. This one system alone can keep your engine running strong past the 150,000-mile mark. Number 6. Using cheap, generic, or wrong parts. You might think saving $30 on a filter or brake pad is smart, but using cheap, no-name parts is one of the fastest ways to ruin your car. These parts often don't fit right wear out faster, and fail when you need them most. A cheap oil filter might not trap debris properly. Bad spark plugs can misfire and wreck your ignition system. And low-quality brake pads? Say goodbye to stopping power. Stick with OEM or high-quality aftermarket brands. Your car was built with precision. Don't destroy that for a quick discount. Number 5. Ignoring strange noises or smells. Unusual noises like grinding, squealing, knocking, or hissing are early warning signs of trouble. Similarly, smells like burning oil, sweet coolant, or melting plastic indicate something is going wrong. Many people ignore these signs until performance drops or a failure occurs. A squeaky belt could mean it's about to snap. A burning smell might signal a brake or clutch issue. Addressing these symptoms early can prevent a major breakdown. Number 4. Using the wrong oil. You might think oil is oil, right? Wrong. Using the wrong type of engine oil is like putting soda in your coffee maker. It might still run, but it's going to wreck things fast. Your engine is designed to run on a specific oil grade like 5W30 or 0W20. That number matters. If you use too thick oil, it won't flow fast enough at cold start, leading to dry running and premature wear. If you use too thin, it won't protect the engine under high heat and load. Worse, using non-synthetic when your engine calls for synthetic can lead to sludge buildup and loss of lubrication. Always check the owner's manual and never guess. It's not worth the gamble. Number 3. Riding the brakes. Do you rest your foot on the brake pedal while driving? That little habit is doing big-time damage. Riding the brakes causes continuous pressure on the braking system, even if you're not actively trying to stop. That constant friction overheats your brake pads and rotors, wearing them out way faster than normal. Overheating also causes brake fluid to break down, reducing braking performance when you really need it. If you're going downhill, use engine braking or shift to a lower gear instead of dragging the brake pedal. Learning to brake only when needed saves your components, your wallet, and your stopping power. Number 2. Neglecting the battery and terminals. Your car battery isn't just for starting the engine. It powers everything from your ignition to your electronics. But many drivers ignore it until the car won't start. Corroded terminals can cause poor connections and leave you stranded or fry sensitive electrical systems. A weak battery also overworks your alternator and shortens its lifespan too. Check the voltage regularly, clean off corrosion with baking soda and water, and replace the battery every 3 to 5 years. It's a small step that keeps your whole system healthy and can make your car to last over 150,000 miles. Number 1. Never washing your car. It might sound minor, but neglecting to wash your car, especially in salty or snowy climates, is like letting termites eat your house. Salt, grime, and road debris slowly corrode your undercarriage, brake lines, and even the frame. By the time you see rust on the surface, the real damage is already done underneath. Washing and waxing your car isn't just about looking good. It's about keeping rust at bay and protecting the vehicle's structure. Regularly clean your car inside and out, and don't skip the underbody wash in winter. That's all for this video. Your car isn't just a machine, it's a long-term partner. If you take care of it, it'll take care of you, mile after mile, year after year. So now you know why most cars don't survive to 150,000 miles and how to make sure yours does. Did you catch yourself doing any of these? Let us know in the comments and see you in the next video.